हमारी जो फिल्म है it probably costs less than the catering budget of Dhurandhar. I do believe you do not have to be a good dancer to be a dancer. Aditya Roy Kapoor.
Masmaji.
Well, this got awkward. Pankaj Tripathi. कुंडी मत
98.3 मिर्ची पर आप प्रेरणा के साथ हैं और मेरे साथ में वीरदास, सृष्टि तावड़े and मिथिला पालकर. Wherever you are, please raise your hands, clap for them. It's a fun film. I'm very happy about it. I think it's going to be this nice khichdi.
Khichdi is
But
good. I'll take khichdi.
like it warms your soul and it makes you laugh.
I think so. There's khichdi with some special
तड़का.
things inside the khichdi.
हाँ, बहुत ज्यादा तड़का है लेकिन कहाँ से आपको कौन सा चीज, कहीं मिर्ची, कहीं नमक, कहीं कुछ ना कुछ तो you will get.
Some leaves are in there.
Yeah, you've co-produced.
What leaves they are?
We don't know.
I can't say.
No, when are we going to see this film?
कुछ पत्ते हैं, कुछ
कुछ
दाने और पत्ते हैं इस खिचड़ी में.
मेथी, mustard seeds.
हाँ, sure.
Sure.
जब हम लिख रहे थे इस फिल्म को, हम मेथी और मस्टर्ड ही कर रहे थे. तो,
Nice.
हाँ.
I'm very happy कि in the world of Dhurandhar, we have
Is it their world?
not really, but I mean everywhere cinema की अगर हम बात करें तो बस उसी की बात हो रही है और खैर होनी भी चाहिए. But besides that, I'm just glad कि हमारे पास में कमाल का पैलेट है और उसमें एक अच्छा जो खिचड़ी जिसके बारे में हमने बात की है, that is also going to cleanse us. You
See,
know?
हमारी जो फिल्म है it probably costs less than the catering budget of Dhurandhar, but I do think कि काफी इंटरव्यूज में बोल चुका हूँ.
तो मत बोलो.
ठीक है.
Just kidding.
Good luck. I think comedy counter culture है ना.
Right.
तो अगर culture ये है कि there are very war, पठान, धुरंधर, spy movies, तो टाइम आ गया है for a counter culture, for a happy spy, for a idiotic spy, जो आपको हंसाता है, जो आपको खुश करता है. I'm nothing against spy movies जो आपको but मेरा movie आपको you know this kind of chill out करेगा. Also a spy movie. And action है, 7 action sequences in the movie. Lovely actors. So yeah, be fine.
Superb. Mithila, you've done all sorts of cinema so far, but this is not something that you've done before. ठीक है? The excitement, the fear of being कि भाई ये हो पाएगा मुझसे, मैंने किया नहीं है. जरा आप प्लीज अपने फैंस को, आपके व्यूअर्स को बताइए.
हाँ बिल्कुल नर्वसनेस ही थी पहले से because again it's a genre that I have not explored like you said. फिर मुझे काफ़ी सारे एक्शन करनी थी in the film, तो वो मैंने कभी नहीं किया है पहले. And but I knew that I was in the best hands. I knew that like वीर and कवि were directing the film. मुझे पता था अमोघ और वीर लिख रहे थे, मुझे पता था आमिर सर प्रोड्यूस कर रहे थे, तो मुझे पता था कि if I lose balance they'll hold me together. And तो nervousness तो काफ़ी थी, and but I was led by the best. So I just went with the flow. Yeah, and I surrendered.
Super.
And it's also not very tough to do comedy यार. बहुत बड़ी misconception है. You just have to play it straight. And then it's funny.
हाँ, आप ऐसा कह रहे हो क्योंकि आप अच्छा करते हो.
That's
There are
exactly.
so many people who don't do it nicely and
कोई
it's
भी
tough.
एक्टर अगर स्क्रिप्ट फनी है, just play the script. हंसाने की कोशिश ही मत करो. Just play the lines like you would a drama. अगर line funny है, you'll get a laugh. It's as simple as that.
Yeah, so your writing needs to be very thorough.
हाँ, but पहले दिन पे हमने सब एक्टर्स को बिठाया and said इस फिल्म में nobody knows they are in a comedy. So you play it seriously and realistically. आप एक मूवी थी Hot Shots. Remember Hot Shots?
Yes.
हाँ, तो वो एक चिकन को लेकर ऐसा bow and arrow में he fires the chicken at somebody, चिकन के अंदर बजूका और बॉम्ब है वगैरह वगैरह. But he's serious.
Correct.
उसके लिए stakes are real. तो that's what we've all done.
Be serious about comedy.
Be serious about comedy.
Super.
Like the people who are mad at comedy also serious about comedy. So yeah.
So tough not to not smile when Veer is around. Veer के साथ कभी ना उदास. Veerdas no उदास. Okay, sorry. Shrishti.
That's your hashtag now at the end of this interview. Her comment, Veerdas no udas, लेकिन मैं तो उदास हूँ.
Shrishti, we've of course seen you in several other things, lekin as an actor on a scale like this, Amir Khan Productions, Veerdas is associated, Mithila is there, there's Mona, there's Sharib Hashmi, you know. सही बहुत सारे लोग हैं, कई सारे moments of taking advice में ये कैसे करूँ या just concentrating on your own gut कि भाई मुझसे हो जाएगा, मैं कर लूँगी ये, किसी से advice लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. बहुत senior actors हैं अपने घर पे.
यार ये सब सोचने के लिए मैं बहुत zoned out रहती हूँ.
हाँ.
ऐसे कोई ख्याल नहीं होते मेरे दिमाग में मैं काफी मतलब एज फार एज आई रिमेम्बर
जी
पूरा जितना भी शूट किया है मैंने मोस्टली मैं बस ऐसे जोन्ड आउट रही हूँ कि ये क्या देख लिया मैंने
हाँ।
ये देख कैसे लिया मतलब ये सब क्या हो रहा है मेरे आजू बाजू
पिंचिंग
वो-
योरसेल्फ कॉन्स्टेंटली
हाँ मैंने आपको याद है मैंने एक पोयम लिखी थी आपको मैंने सुनाई थी
हाँ,
कार में मैंने शूट के फर्स्ट दिन पे पोयम लिखी थी शूट के बारे में ही कि कैसा लग रहा है और मेरे को फर्स्ट डे से ही ऐसा लग रहा था कि ये सब तो बिलीव ही नहीं कर सकती ये सब दूर का ही बात है बिलीव ही नहीं करना जब तो फिर क्या सोचूं इसके बारे में
That's very endearing.
Very good poem. also.
Very. Veer, first of all, कैसा लग रहा है after becoming an item girl, item boy, and how's the feeling?
Feels the same.
Feels the same?
Crotch is the same.
Crotch is the
Crotch.
same.
Buttocks
Yeah.
are the same buttocks.
Yeah.
Knees are slightly tired, but I think अगर आप फिल्म देखेंगे तो कॉन्टेक्स्ट के अंदर आप जान जाएंगे क्यों मैं इनके लिए नाच रहा हूँ.
जी.
Otherwise तो काफी एवरेज डांस परफॉर्मेंस है अगर देखा जाए. In a world of तौबा तौबा and Hrithik Roshan and Junior NTR etc. मैं बस ऐसा थोड़ा pelvic thrust कर रहा हूँ. But I do believe कि you do not have to be a good dancer to be a dancer. And you do not have to be a good dancer to dance for the person you love. अगर आप Instagram पे देख लो, हर रील जो वायरल जाता है,
जी.
it is some groom who, you know, enthusiastically dancing for his bride.
Yeah.
Not well,
But happy.
but happy, no, at the end of the day. So that is the spirit of Banda Tere Liye Naachega.
Superb, superb. बंदा तेरे लिए नाचेगा और इस जवाब के साथ में I have another follow up कि मैं आपको कुछ item songs के नाम देने वाली हूँ.
Sure.
And for example, if Sheila की जवानी was Katrina Kaif,
Yeah.
आपके हिसाब से which male actor would have suited that song very well? आप मदद कर सकते हैं because I know this has been a very helpful environment on Happy पटेल खतरनाक जासूस. तो वीर सबसे पहला गाना मुन्नी बदनाम हुई तेरे लिए.
Who would I cast in Mudni Badnaam Hui Tere Liye?
Do you remember मुन्नी बदनाम?
Yeah, of course I do, yeah. Anil Kapoor.
Malaika, correct.
Huh?
Yes.
I have to cast a male, no, in
Yeah,
this thing.
yeah. You cast Anil Kapoor.
I had cast Anil Kapoor.
मुन्ना बदनाम हुआ तेरे लिए.
Munna Badnaam Hua Tere Liye.
And
Because
this-
if you brought that 1-2 ka 4, you know, the
Dina Din
spirit
Da.
Dina Din Da into it would be great.
Superb. Chikni Chameli, if it was not Katrina, who would you cast?
अर्जुन रामपाल
Arjun Rampal for
Oh.
Chikni Chameli.
Oh.
I'm still clean shaven.
Wow.
He is. I'm not saying Chameli was clean shaven.
She was.
She was. I'm sure. If she chose not to, good for you, Chameli.
But
But
she is so very like proper, हाँ, correct. Chikna Chamela.
Chikna Chamela, Arjun Rampal, great.
Sweet.
He
Lyrics
looks
written
good from
by.
every angle.
Yeah.
That's true.
It's depressing. Even Imran Khan. Imran Khan is
Imran
picture
Khan.
में.
I would agree.
Imran Khan, yaar. No lighting, no makeup, camera under his nostrils, he looks good also. It's
That's
really depressing.
That's true.
Kuch bhi khata, he never puts on weight. Nice deep baritone voice.
Are you envious or jealous?
No, I'm happy for him.
Happy.
Yeah.
Happy Patel is always happy.
Yeah.
Next song, Kundi mat khadkao raja, सीधा अंदर आओ राजा.
Pankaj Tripathi.
Oh.
Interesting choice.
It'd be nice to see him, na, just kind of
Yeah.
gamcha,
Yeah.
kundi mat.
Yeah, he'll not be dancing.
He'll not be
doing
dancing.
that.
He'll have 1 cup
He
chai.
just सीधा.
You know,
Yeah, yeah.
थोड़ा वो मसाला peanuts. इधर
It's a matter
थोड़ा
of fact.
chai, gamcha is sitting, some, you know, ghazal is playing or something, and he's like, kundi mat karna. सीधा अंदर आओ.
Genre of the song has been changed.
It has. पीछे भैंसें चल रही है भाई, चेंज ही हो गया है. कुंडी मत ही खड़काओ आप, प्लीज कहीं मत आओ आप. चोली के पीछे.
I would say Rana Daggubati, because I think best chest.
Best chest.
No, of all the
So, Choli ke
Bahubali.
of all the leading men, best chest probably Rana Daggubati.
How do you judge that?
Matlab definition.
So we're not talking Prabhas chest, we're talking
Girth.
Rana
I
chest.
don't
Which
know.
is not
Girth.
big, not small. It's right where it is supposed
Yeah,
to.
it's the perfect.
No objectification, guys. No objectification. सही है. नहीं, good. It's Rana's good.
Yeah.
Rana पे suit कर रहा है गाना. Moving on. Yes.
Not overtly muscular, not overtly lean.
I agree.
Somewhere perfect. What do you call? Admi sexy.
Suddenly I've developed a crush on Rana because of what you've just said.
You know?
मतलब he is hot. Don't
He's-
get me wrong,
yeah.
guys. But वाह, अब
आप-
क्योंकि आपने जो शब्द कह दी ना, अब खत्म. अब कौन अर्जुन, कौन आदित्य, कौन अभी राणा. It's one of the rarest songs that I like as an item. I don't call it an item song. It's मुझे मस्त माहौल में जीने दो. सुष्मिता सेन.
An actor just doesn't care
Chilled
too
out,
much.
no?
Yeah,
Yeah.
very chilled out kind of a thing.
Oh, she's carrying a lot in that song. Very sensual song.
I think he's
महबूब
going
मेरे,
more with the
महबूब
lyrics
मेरे.
of like.
हाँ.
मुझे
got it.
मस्त
Oh, like that. Okay.
yeah.
Maybe Aditya Roy Kapoor.
और
Kind of.
मस्त माहौल. मस्त मौजी.
Just, I'm sorry. Every
You just
reel.
look like Winnie the Pooh for now.
every,
ठीक है.
I
No
love you,
problem.
Aditya. I know Aditya well, but every reel I see of Aditya Roy Kapoor is like, hey, man,
Hey man.
know,
Just chilling.
just looking
Just
handsome,
chilling. Yeah. Just
wearing chappals,
yeah.
you know, just kind of chilling. You
Just
know,
kind of chilling.
blessed with this face. You know, it's great. I like him.
Love that. Thank you so much for that. अगर आप एक real spy होते in life, तो industry में आप कौन से mission पे जाना चाहेंगे? What do you want to get to the root of?
oh my god.
मिथिला like ये सब homework मुझे नहीं दो.
How we choose catering for every project, I would want to get to the root of that and then get the same thing for all of us
Yeah.
on set.
Yeah.
Everyone.
Yeah. Oh, how lovely. Such a nice girl. Yeah. Bhai chokri. Yeah, very nice. That's a very moral, good thought. Yeah, it's nice.
See, everything ends
you
up
said
at
it with a
food.
little bit of hostility. You know what I mean?
It's just me.
no,
It's just me, and it's what Mumbai's traffic has done to me.
You know,
Please don't mind me.
because I'm sitting next to you and you were like, you're a nice girl, yeah. But behind the eyes, you were like, I will kill you. Like
No.
a little bit of.
No.
okay,
I don't. Non-violence is not my thing. Doesn't excite me.
It's
It's
दिमाग
still
में
very
सिर्फ खाना आता है.
hostile, you know.
Huh?
Even saying violence is not my thing. No, violence is not my thing.
It really isn't.
Right.
Spend more time with me to know me. But ठीक है. When I kill you, then you won't be able to spend time. सृष्टि ये सवाल आपके लिए
Oh
है.
god.
Well, this got awkward.
गाली is something हम regular life में देते हैं, सड़कों पे देते हैं. I don't know if you abuse. I definitely cannot, control that
Sorry,
anger
sorry.
within myself.
Hmm.
Why do you think? And it's not a good thing. We all know it's not a good thing. But why does it work on screen? ये सवाल आप सबके लिए कि आपने किसी stand up को सुन लिया या फिर आपने screen पे देख लिया. It's funny. You feel like laughing. It's funny. It's a real
It's
funny
not
thing.
always
No,
funny.
it's not funny.
It depends on what you personally find funny. No?
जी. Veer finds it funny. Veer, हम आपसे पूछते हैं. Why does it work on screen?
You don't think it's funny?
मैंने तुम्हें अपनी फिल्म में क्यों लिया? ये funny नहीं है? अरे यार, cut,
I mean,
edit.
It's funny in context.
Yeah.
Like अगर आपको okay, Delhi Belly जब निकली,
जी.
तो that was a world of soft cinema. गुजारिश,
Hmm.
जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा, परिणीता.
Hmm.
तो तब suddenly when boys were saying all these things,
Hmm.
it was counter.
Yeah.
Right? अब हम जी रहे हैं पाताल लोक में. You know what I mean? In a world of मिर्जापुर, पाताल लोक, वजीपुर, कल्चर काफी हार्ड है तो हमारी फिल्म थोड़ी सॉफ्ट है. हमारी गालियां भी सॉफ्ट है, etc. But I do think जब आप एक आर्टिस्ट को देखते हैं पर्दे पे या स्टेज पे, तो पावर इक्वेशन थोड़ी सी इम्बैलेंस्ड है क्योंकि वो पेडिस्टल पे है और आप ऑडियंस में बैठे हैं. और जब वो गाली बकते हैं वो आपको अपनी इम्परफेक्शन दिखा रहे हैं, और क्योंकि आप खुद भी इम्परफेक्ट है, आप एक दूसरे को जान जाते हैं थोड़ा सा, एंड इट्स मोर इक्वलाइजिंग.
Yeah.
So it's not the pretension of perfection. It is ये भी तो बोलता है ना, तो हम दोनों एक ही हैं.
Relatable.
And I'll add to what I said.
जी.
What I meant is, कोई जगह पे the gali is the joke,
Yeah.
the gali is the punchline, and
Hmm.
कोई जगह पे there is an actual punchline,
Hmm.
and there is a gali
Hmm.
because it's feeding the emotion,
Yeah.
but it's not the punchline.
Correct.
Then when there is a punchline, it's funny and the gali works.
Yeah.
But if you have put a gali because आपके पास joke नहीं है, तो गाली से हंसेंगे, then it's not funny to me.
Correct.
I don't think that's what you're doing. No?
I don't
You're
know.
not.
So I think sometimes, like even out of context, like if an actor's like, "क्या table है?" like there's something to that that's
Yeah.
funny to me.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
I have to confess, it's
So-
funny to me
yeah,
too.
exactly. Because it's unnecessary, you know what I mean? Right?
इसको क्या क्यों
इसको
इसको क्यों
क्यों
तोड़ा?
बुलाया?
Correct.
टेबल को क्यों बुलाया तुमने?
तो टेबल है क्यों मुझे
मुझे
क्या
क्यों
मैंने
बुलाया?
क्या
मैंने
खराब किया
क्या
था?
किया? But I think it's funny.
It is. It is. Shrishti, Mithila and Veer, ये जितने actors हैं in Happy Patel, किसके scene के लिए आप सबसे ज़्यादा excited हुए हैं?
Mona Singh.
Oh yes.
No,
Because-
like there's no debating.
Yeah.
I know.
You look at her, you feel joy, you feel.
She's brilliant, man. Just I mean, अभी वो जो भी काम कर भी रही है उसमें सारे projects में you want to just wait to see what she is doing.
Right.
And then when you get to share space with her, screen space with her, what bigger joy than that?
Yeah.
So
Yeah. Superb. Mona Singh is your answer as well.
Yes, because काफी spectacle है उनका performance मेरे लिए.
Yeah. Do you remember Jassi Jassi Koi Nahi Ho? Were you too young for?
I was extremely young.
Yeah. So I will move on to Veer. Do you remember Jassi Jassi
I
Koi
do.
Nahi? And how exciting is to know Jassi Jassi and having Jassi
And
in
have her
Happy
be a
Patel.
murderous
Jassi. No, of course not. Yes.
एक कैरेक्टर है जिनका नाम सुरेश है
जी.
and there's an older gentleman by the name of Mr. Bachchan Pandey
Okay.
जो किरदार निभा रहे हैं and he's a part of our 5% ensemble लेकिन वो धीरे चलते हैं लाइफ में तो he's a waiter in a restaurant and the whole scene you'll just see him going और पूरा सीन चला जा रहा है ठीक है मोनोलॉग हुआ कैरेक्टर डेवलपमेंट हुआ
It's like that sloth in Zootopia.
right? So whole film he has a chunk of screen time because wide frame है
Also, I talk about the name, dude. एक तो आपके टीम में है कवि शास्त्री.
कवि शास्त्री हाँ
What are the odds? And we have Bachchan Pandey. I mean, it's cute, but let's talk about Kavi Shastri. What is?
but
yeah.
my point I want to make is
Yes, sorry.
the point of the whole film
Yes.
he says ठीक है
Hmm.
तो फिल्म का सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट लाइन बच्चन साहब के पास है
Mm.
but from the start of the film he's coming to say that one line and he gets to say the line at the end of the film
But that's the catharsis, I think,
Yeah.
of life. कि आप slowly जीवन का सार समझते, slowly, अंत में समझते.
प्री क्लाइमैक्स में वो फाइनली ये लाइन बोल देते हैं which
Good.
changes the whole movie
Can't wait.
but it takes him 72 minutes to come to the point to say that
You need to make that noise again. How is the noise? Yeah. In a regular setup ये आवाज काफी irritating हो सकती है.
Yeah.
I'm enjoying this. This is good SFX.
it's my
It's great.
favorite because जब हम screenings करते हैं there are either people are like this is the stupidest thing I've ever seen in my life or people like मुझको इतना गुस्सा आता है ना जब वो screen पे आता है धीरे धीरे and I love that because I don't think comedy या तो आपको गुस्सा करना चाहिए या आपको हंसाना चाहिए it should not be ignored there should not be it should be a binary reaction to comedy so he really polarizes people
Yeah.
in the movie
Sorry, you were saying something.
Why would you say गुस्सा करना चाहिए?
you should
Matlab,
watch
what is
people
the-
when they're watching that scene because हमारा
No,
tension
as
span
in-
है गुस्से people are like come on man get to the thing and he doesn't get there so it's lovely it's
अच्छा.
my favorite thing in the movie
But she's basically asking कि आपको ऐसा क्यों लगता है कि कॉमेडी इंसान को गुस्सा दिलाना
वो
चाहिए?
मैंने ऐसे ही बोल दिया यार
Yeah.
ऐसा इतना ज्ञान
It was actually
इतना
said by Martha Stewart at some point.
yeah absolutely
Yeah.
Adolf Hitler said comedy is polarizing
वीर ये फिल्म आपके इनर ऑप्टिमिस्ट से आई है या फिर ये भी एक आयरॉनिक वीरदास यूनिवर्स है? Is this introspective, this entire process of getting Happy Patel, Khatarnak Jasoos to us as an audience?
I think the film is sweet. I think film optimistic है.
जी.
Film के, I mean, it's a comedy. It's a silly, stupid comedy,
Mm.
right? And I think we need silly.
Mm.
But at some level, दो चीज के बारे में है film. One, it is about what it means to be Indian. The film का logline क्या है? Simple. दो gay British MI7 agents 1991 में एक brown baby को ले जाते हैं इंग्लैंड.
Mm.
and they raised me as their own.
Yeah.
Called Happy Paisley, और मैं एक शेफ हूँ जो सैंडविचेस बनाता हूँ और खाना बनाता हूँ. And cut to present date, MI7 को किसी को भेजना है गोवा में मिशन के लिए, we need a fall guy. तो मुझको सिखाया जाता है how to be Indian in 3 weeks based on Bollywood movies from the early 2000s. 3 हफ्ते में हिंदी सीख के मैं पहुंच जाता हूँ गोवा, and I meet my weapons expert, Roxy, and I meet a very dangerous person in Mithila who plays Rupa, and Geet, who's my local coordinator, and this village of Panjor comes together to take on Mona Singh, who's Mama. Like in Sholay, Gabbar Singh से लड़ाई की थी, you know, entire village ने. But at the end of the day, एक outsider आया है इंडिया में and discovers what it means to be Indian. That's what my film's about.
Lovely, lovely. Srishti, weapons expert हैं आप, हाँ?
Yes, apparently
Appa-
I know everything.
If you had a favorite weapon, what would that be?
Favorite weapon?
Hmm.
Zuban.
Zuban.
Mm.
Yeah, I was hoping that Shrishti would say that.
Aha!
Hoping.
But then I was
And I'm
predictable.
glad.
matlab.
No, not at all.
Even Naini to Kaun Be, yeah, that's Zuban only. It's such a great. You guys know that track? There you go.
Yes.
Zuban.
Yeah, nice. Nicely done. आप मतलब जब आपको किसी के बारे में जानना होता है, do you get to the root of it, मिथिला? बिल्कुल. ऐसे कोई ये नहीं है आपके
Stalker Max.
Stalker Max. आपके दोस्त आपके पास में आते हैं, सिर्फ फर्स्ट नेम पता है. Just
That's
wait.
me.
Just wait and watch.
That's right. That's
Really?
me.
Insta. and all
Instagram.
that. Yeah.
That's my extent social media.
Yeah, but you are the spy in the
LinkedIn
the-
and whatever, and like there are people on matrimonial apps who want to like if you want to get details about them, then my friends know कि हाँ मैंने तो इसको इधर इधर देखा है.
Also, like एक आदमी Tinder पे है, but वो actually.
Oh, yeah, that is also-
That is a.
That has also happened.
So all your friends are like that या फिर आप specialist हैं इसमें?
नहीं मैं special मैं ideas देती हूँ
अच्छा.
कि यहाँ आप देख सकते हो.
Yeah.
Do you have a Finsta?
No. I actually have a private Instagram account, but it's not a like that was before the public life happened to me. So this was college time. So वो है अभी भी.
I have a Finsta.
I don't know.
Because जब मैं cancel हुआ था और वो सब कांड हुआ था, I needed to check कि मैं कितने trouble में हूँ कभी.
वीर तो whenever he talks about being cancelled, he just said जब मैं छोटा था तो मेरे साथ ये हुआ था. Actually जब मैं छोटा था जब मैं cancel हुआ था, वीर वो cancelling नहीं था. But of course I was cancelling, but can you imagine what came to us as Veer from so many years, the addition every year with every episode, with everything that you've done? We've also grown, and it's just it's a happy place.
Yeah, of course it is.
So cancelling is not a traumatic.
No.
No, it's not.
I don't
No.
believe in that at all. I just मैं 2 साल के लिए unemployed था.
जी,
Let's
no,
put it
that
that
is
way.
traumatic. Sorry,
क्योंकि
yes, yeah.
एक भी स्टूडियो या ब्रांड मुझको छोड़ने के लिए तैयार नहीं था.
Yeah.
Right? But ब्राइट साइड ये है कि इंस्टाग्राम पे जाने के लिए काफी टाइम मिलता है. You have free time when you're unemployed.
Yeah.
And I wrote 3 movies, one of which is Happy Patel.
Happy days.
Happy days. Yeah.
Happy
And
days. Happy days. Shrishti, what are your family's reactions to this? आप तो खुद को पिंच कर ही रही हैं हर रोज
हाँ.
कि ये मेरे साथ में कैसे हो रहा है. Are they being nonchalant about it? Are they being chalant about it?
Fully chalant.
Yeah.
मतलब
Yeah.
extremely
As they should. As they should.
Yeah.
हर रोज पार्टी होनी चाहिए. समोसा मंगा यार हर रोज.
मेरे माँ बाप बहुत उसी वाइब के हैं कि पागल हो गए हैं वो लोग. वो लोग खुशी से पागल हो गए हैं at this point. और मतलब
I'm
हमारे घर पे
imagining 2 people running across the house. Yeah, very ready actor. Operation success.
मेरे पापा जेन्युइनली अभी कोई अगर हमारे घर पे कोई आता है ना
जी.
लाइक रिलेटिव या कोई ऐसा इलेक्ट्रिशियन वगैरह कोई आ गया
Yeah.
तो ऐसा हुआ था. टीवी रिपेयर करने के लिए कोई आदमी आया था और उन्होंने वो टीवी रिपेयर वाले को पूछ रहे थे. मैं अंदर थी ऐसे अपने बेडरूम में थी और पापा खड़े थे टीवी रिपेयर वाले के साथ. उसको पूछ रहे थे कि आपने वो शो देखा है जिसपे रैप करते हैं, देखा है आपने वो शो? बोले हाँ. उसके ऊपर एक लड़की, वो टीवी रिपेयर वाले ने बोला सामने से कि एक लड़की है, उसके गाने सुने मैंने. तो उन्होंने बोला कि उन्होंने मेरे को ऐसे बुलाया कि गुड्डी इकड़े है, एकदम अथॉरिटेटिवली बुलाया.
Flex.
और बोलते हैं यही है ना वो लड़की.
What was the electrician's reaction to it?
उसने सबको वीडियो कॉल वगैरह करवा के ये पूरा टाइम पास करवाया, मतलब हमारा बहुत सारा।
और मैं ग्रेड दी इलेक्ट्रिशियन में लाइक नहीं वो सुनी थी चौहान थी।
But adorable, that's amazing.
हाँ ऐसा ही
Good for
करते हैं
you,
हर
यार।
बात पे।
प्रीमियर के लिए तो आएंगे
हाँ
but you should also go first day first show
या
with family.
I thought maybe Veer is saying that you should also call the electrician.
Is he electrician also?
He deserves, this is a part of his journey as well. मतलब अभी तो he's also part of
मेरा
Happy Patel.
इलेक्ट्रिशियन his name is पप्पू मेरे को लेक्चर देता है कि सर आप पहले हिंदी में काम करते थे फिर आप ये इंग्लिश स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी शुरू हो गए
Cancel,
फिर
again.
आप कभी दिखते नहीं हो देश में घूमते रहते हो हमारे लिए पिक्चर कब आएगा सुना पप्पू हैज सीन द ट्रेलर ऑफ हैप्पी पटेल देखा समझ में आया मेरे को
This is adorable, but I really want to know what is the hierarchy of the reaction that your family and friends give. अब क्योंकि आपने ज़्यादा काम कर लिया, क्या आपकी family कम पागल है about the fact that you are so famous? Because सृष्टि का तो हमें पता चल गया, but what exactly उनकी क्या reactions होते हैं जब वो आपको देखते हैं, कभी किसी hoarding पे, कभी किसी print ad में, of course now this full-fledged film, Happy Patel.
मुझे नहीं लगता they can also और I can get used to it. It's always a spectacle कि oh my
हाँ।
god इतने बड़े
हाँ।
होर्डिंग पे हमारे चेहरे हैं।
हाँ
तो वो एक्साइटमेंट अभी भी है लाइक अगर फॉर एग्जांपल अभी नाउ केस इन पॉइंट हैप्पी पटेल का कोई गाना आता है तो सारे फैमिली ग्रुप्स पे वो गाना चले जाता है कि अरे मिथिला इज you know new song new film whatever KBC पे आ रही है you know my daughter is coming on KBC and all so that still happens I
जी।
don't think that excitement has died down at all it is still it is amplified every time
fabulous. Veer?
My family I've broken them I've broken them in so they are used to it now in terms of ये कुछ बोलेगा फिर कांड होगा
Just
फिर
imagine your
इसको
parents are going to some party and वापस से सुनना पड़ेगा वीर ने कहा बोलो भाई बोलो
Do
क्या
you know
बोला इस बार उसने क्या बोला क्या
Exactly.
किया
Do
उसने
you know how many WhatsApp आपके बेटे ने ये बोला then they have to say but I think my family is very sweet in terms of मेरे mom और dad आते हैं shows के लिए और वो audience को देखते हैं so I'll be on stage and my mom is like
कब हंस रहे हैं
you know so I'll see her looking at that and then
so sweet.
sometimes we surprise them like अभी पूरे family group पे ये चल रहा है क्योंकि we went on KBC so the big thing on KBC is Veerdas speaks Hindi so there's just people saying मुझको पता नहीं था कि इसको हिंदी बोलनी आती है and I'm like I'm from Noida you're from Noida you live in sector 30 I live in sector 15 did you think it was a sector 30 specific language
Yes.
but now they're acting surprised as well
नहीं बट अब हमको देखते रहते हैं ना वो यूएस वगैरह में आप फिर ऐसा लगता है कि वहीं के होंगे प्रियंका चोपड़ा को भी थोड़ा एक्सेंट है तो वीर को भी थोड़ा एक्सेंट
प्रियंका चोपड़ा वहाँ पर बड़ी हुई in the US
Did she?
in her
हाँ,
teens she was there yeah
5 साल etc
मुझे पता था हम just testing it guys प्रियंका चोपड़ा के बारे में कौन नहीं जानता कैसी बातें कर रही है so
well played you want to reverse the truck and take a different
नहीं सुनो मुझे एक्चुअली आई आल्सो वांट टू नो सबका कोई ना कोई फेवरेट एक्सेंट होता होगा आई डोंट नो इफ
British.
है ब्रिटिश क्या आप जब बहुत खुश
नहीं।
होती हैं तभी आप ब्रिटिश एक्सेंट में ट्राई करती हैं
कुछ मैं स्विच कोड स्विच नहीं करती but I like
द ब्रिटिश
the
एक्सेंट
accent
या सृष्टि
मेरे को एक कभी आवाज आती है
हाँ। सच में पागल है सब
So
सब
many
थोड़े
voices
पागल तो
in
हैं
my head.
ये आवाज कौन
बताओ
वो मेरी फेवरेट आवाज है
क्या
What the hell? हमारे इमेजिनरी दोस्त होते हैं बचपन में सिबलिंग्स होते हैं तुम्हारा इमेजिनरी वॉइस है एक्सेंट है वो क्या हाउ डज इट
मतलब
साउंड
बस ऐसा होता है वो कि
7 करोड़
जैसे अगर if I only want to I should not explain it there is I don't know how to
That's okay.
because it's just a voice in my head
But that's
Literally.
your own voice?
उस वॉइस का एक्सेंट है
हाँ
उस वॉइस का ऐसा है कि सर सर मैं आपके साथ भी आना चाहता हूँ सर ये मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगता है
It's kind of like you're very young, yeah, so you won't know. केशव मुखर्जी
हाँ
थोड़ा सा है ना
है।
हाँ
ये किसी की जैसा है
एक कैरेक्टर एक्टर थे बहुत टैलेंटेड कैरेक्टर एक्टर केशव मुखर्जी and उनकी थोड़ा मिलता
हल्का
ये मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगता है
And this voice talks to you whenever जब भी तुम मतलब
अपने आप नहीं मतलब पागल नहीं हूँ मैं मर्जी से करती हूँ
सॉरी यार अगली बार करोगे मैं पैसे भी दूंगी ऐसी बात नहीं है बहुत अच्छा करती हो तुम जो
मतलब ये
करती
वाली
हो
आवाज पसंद है मुझे ऐसा था।
मैं समझ गई सृष्टि's like नेक्स्ट टाइम मुझे इसके साथ इंटरव्यू नहीं करना है मुझे पागल करार करवा रही है दिस इज नॉट कूल एट ऑल डू यू हैव अ फेवरेट एक्सेंट वीर
I like saying Indian food names in a Russian accent. It's my favorite thing. Sometimes I go to a restaurant abroad and be like, I will have two gulab jamun. Waiter भी
I am
confused
giving
होता
you one menu.
Five
You have
chicken
to.
tikka,
Sorry.
2 garlic naan, chutney on side. वो लाल वाला प्याज चाहिए. Like I just love doing that.
You have to. This is Shiv Sagar ka menu. I'm just going to give it to you. You have to say all of this.
All of it.
All of it. At least the South Indian snacks.
Idli sambar plus chutney. Vada sambar plus chutney. How much chutney I'm going to fuck this?
For a
It's like
second, I
doing
thought
that.
at least sambar plus vodka plus dasha plus everything. That is crazy. That's cute also. That's very nice. Super. Anything about Happy Patel Khatarnak Jasoos that you would like to tell people कि don't miss this film. अच्छा लगेगा, खुशी होगी. There'll be a conversation. We'll start with you, Mithila.
Just go watch the film in the theaters. It's just going to make you very happy.
Yeah.
I promise you that. Like it is going to give you the break from all the angst that we've been feeling generally as a society, I guess. So like take that break and enjoy.
Enjoy. Just
Yeah,
enjoy.
enjoy.
Just, please take Jaya Bachchan's word seriously. Just enjoy.
Just enjoy. I believe
इनको
it.
हिचकी आ रही होगी ना जितनी हिचकी आ रही होगी anyway. Yes.
After the life you've lived, this is a genre that you deserve. So you should go for it. There is no other film that's going to do this to you. That's why you should watch Happy Patel. Watch Happy Patel, okay?
Srishti, very cute, yeah. Thank you. Yes.
She's too cute.
She is.
She's too
She
cute. I
is.
can't tell you.
She is. Sir, I'm working. Maybe this voice is going to appeal more to you as opposed to my hostile voice. Yes.
I think जब आप एक अपने बेस्ट फ्रेंड के साथ बैठ के मस्ती करते हो बेड पे बैठते हो और 3 बजे सुबह बात करते हो all of that बकचोदी all of that nonsense that is this movie वो central feeling ये movie है and I think silly के लिए एक जगह है happiness के लिए एक जगह है and if you don't know any of us you should trust Amir Khan and
Yes.
trust in his judgment as well and trust that he saw something in us so please come and see what he saw.
Superb. अब मुझे ये बताइए ट्रेलर में इमरान खान क्यों नहीं है? Why हमारे साथ में आपने ऐसा क्यों किया है?
He's in the trailer.
I can't just कहाँ पे कब आते हैं वो?
He comes in Imran plays a character called international supermodel Milind Moria
Oh, nice.
and so he's in the movie.
Yeah. Oh, okay. It's just nice to know, but a little bit more about. We've heard that you're doing a film along with Akshay sir, and I don't think there's anybody better in the field of comedy.
I agree. And the Priyan sir and Akshay sir
Yeah.
combination.
That team is just crazy.
It is.
Yeah.
I was just in awe. I was enjoying it.
Yeah,
I was
yeah.
enjoying being part
Yeah.
of that universe.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was I thoroughly enjoyed myself just being on that set. It was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
That is the extent of what I can tell you right now, but
Yeah.
it was a privilege.
Superb. What's your favorite Akshay Kumar film?
Hera Peri.
Yeah.
Easy.
Easy. Shrishti, you've got a favorite Akshay Kumar film?
De Danadan. Although there's so many people
Yeah,
in
yeah.
it कि जिन सब लोग pop out होते हैं.
Yeah.
Like I can't call it only Akshay Kumar film, but first thing that comes to my mind is De Danadan.
My favorite Veerdas film in which Akshay Kumar is also there is Namaste London. Just want to say
We
that.
never got to share a scene
I
with each
know!
other. I was trying
That's
to
a
get his girl.
pity. That's a pity. What's your favorite Akshay Kumar film?
Mohra. What's
Mohra.
it?
I love it, Mohra. The two cheezeं पड़ी है
Yeah,
मस्त
that one. Yeah, that
Yeah.
outfit, harem pants,
Yeah,
itna chest hair,
yeah. It's
and,
exact V.
and the bandana
Yeah,
of the this thing.
Yeah. What are those important things जो आप, besides the work that you do, that you really believe in and you genuinely want good things to happen to it? कोई चीज़ वीर जो जिसके बारे में आप बात करना चाहते हैं?
I would like to see any regional sports in India, from Ranji Trophy downwards for any sport. I'd like to see arrangement for those kids get better and better.
Yeah.
That I'll always wish well.
Yeah, super. That's a good cause. Shrishti?
I would want more comedians to feel more confident and
Safe.
safe to say what needs to be said. And already जो लोग बोल रहे हैं वो लोग को किसी तरह safety मिल जाए.
Yeah.
Is
Freedom
there
of
a problem?
speech.
I hadn't noticed.
Yeah.
Comedy कुछ चल रहा है क्या?
समय थोड़ा सा डामाडोल है.
हाँ.
मिथिला?
I don't know if I have a quick answer to that.
It's okay.
I'll have to think about it.
I'll take your number. We'll message you, or you can take mine.
Yes.
When
I
you
think
come
so.
back for Bhoot Bangla, you can.
I might have an answer.
Remember, I will haunt you for
I will text
because Bhoot Bangla. Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
for
Sorry.
that also.
Sorry. Just thank you for existing, Veer, and thank you for doing what you do.
Hey.
Thank you for being a part of this gorgeous film. We are hoping कि ये बहुत सारे पैसे कमाए ताकि we get more films like these. 98.3 मिर्ची पर that's मिथिला, सृष्टि, वीर. जितनी तालियों के साथ में आपने इस इंटरव्यू की शुरुआत की है, अगर I'm watching, वापस से तालियां बजा लीजिए आप जहाँ पर भी हैं.
Please watch the film. If not, we'll WhatsApp it to you.
Yeah. The whole film. Sure. It's hot.